Hi, I'm Simon Kennedy, Managing Editor at Quadrant Magazine. WP Creative have worked with us for a number of years as our tech support for our website. They're specialists of WordPress and WooCommerce, which are both crucial aspects of our operation. Our website gets our content out to our readers and helps us impact public discourse. WP Creative have been crucial for keeping that part of our organisation going and running smoothly. They've helped us in emergency situations when our website's been attacked or hacked. They've helped us when there's been tech problems and crashes and things like that as well. We've been able to call on them to act quickly and effectively, and they've done a great job. They also help us keep the website going by maintaining it, keeping the plugins running properly, and ensuring that everything's working smoothly for our e-commerce and for our content. I recommend WP Creative. They're a great outfit. They're professional, courteous, and do a great job of helping our business keep running smoothly.